What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. Coming to you from the car using my GoPro Hero 12 Black. And I want to talk to you about the GoPro subscription, which I have, the Premium Plus, which is a great plan, but I think it's time to scrap it. So basically, the main reason I got it is because when I did get it initially, the original GoPro subscription, I got it because I liked the fact that you have unlimited storage for the GoPro footage, and as soon as you put your GoPro to charge, you can have it set up so that it automatically uploads all your videos, and then you can pull them down from the cloud later. And I loved this feature for many years, many years, but I think it was last year, I guess the credit card I had on there was the one with it was the same credit card number, but the expiration date had expired, and then it lapsed. When I tried to renew it again, and I got the Premium Plus subscription, it treated it like I wasn't subscribed before, and so I had to start from scratch. So if I wanted to buy the 13 Black at the time, because I think it renews in September, so if I wanted to get the GoPro Hero 13, since it didn't see me as being a current subscriber, it saw that I was a new subscriber. When you have the subscription, it takes a year before you can actually buy a camera with $100 off with the GoPro subscription. That being said, so I lost one of the main discounts that I actually liked about having. That being said, I actually lost one of the reasons why I wanted the subscription is the discounts for the camera. I still get the discounts for the accessories, but I think for the whole year and a half, for at least a year and a half, I haven't gotten any accessories. So all I'm using it for is the storage, but a lot of the storage on there I don't go back to. So I'm thinking, especially because the previous GoPro subscription was $50, the Premium Plus is $100. So if I'm not going to use it just only for the storage, I mean, now with the Premium Plus I can also put other items in the storage, but I don't do that. I don't use it like that. So I think it's time for me to get rid of the GoPro Premium Plus subscription. Do you have it? Do you like it? Do you think it's worth it? I mean, it's a lot cheaper than the Insta360 one. I have the Google one, and I think that gives me, I don't think it's a terabyte one, but it's not unlimited. But like I said, I don't really need it. And I can always just pull the files using the GoPro app or plug my GoPro or the SD card into a computer, but I'd rather do it from the app because then I can edit the video before I send it to my phone. So, do you have the GoPro subscription? Do you have the Premium Plus? Do you think it's worth it? For me, it's done. All right, Brooklyn Salute, I'm out.